Greetings everyone. Welcome back to the Miniature Manual. In this video I will be unboxing Tarmac Works 4th TWOC members only model. Thanks to Tarmac Works for sending me this model car. This is a Global64 Mitsubishi Lancer GSR Evolution 2. The packaging features a cool graffiti of the car. This particular model is limited to 1248 units. Rear side of the box features the official licensed authorization and product info. Let's unbox. Right after unboxing, the first thing I noticed are the OZ Racing Chrono Evo rims. The ride height is perfect, I believe. Lower portion of the rear door features a sticker of GSR Evolution 2 on both sides. Door handles are fairly detailed. Side indicator lights are painted. Headlights are plastic inserts. The front grille is fairly detailed and there's a sticker of Mitsubishi badge in it. There's another GSR Evo II sticker on top of the left headlight. Rear lights are plastic inserts. On top of the right rear lights there's another sticker of Lancer Evo badge. On the left side there's a sticker of Mitsubishi badge which my camera couldn't capture in the video. The rear side also features a dual exhaust. On the rear window there's a sticker of AWD. The base is fairly detailed. Wheels roll smoothly. Overall I loved this model. Paint quality is good though there's a spot on the left side which you can see earlier in this video.